I forgot. I have to go back and get it.
Look in the back of the truck.
Okay.
Not there.
What?
Get off. Get off.
Whoa!
There, get out of the way. Get down.
Whoa!
Get down.
Grandpa's going to help you. He's going to put the thing down.
There's Tony Leone.
Come here. You get that in. I'll get this in.
Help Grandpa carry it.
Give that back. Give that back to me.
No.
Get it?
Now.
Alright. Now. I got it.
Boy, it's heavy, Tony, isn't it?
Is it a Mamma Mia box?
I got it. Mamma Mia! Grandpa's group. I got it for the game.
We're going to play a game?
Yeah. You just stand right here on the ground. Right here. Alright, we can just open it.
You gotta get a knife.
I know. Everybody get a knife.
Well, we can't get a knife. How about my key?
I want to sit.
Let's try my key.
He's not a knife.
Well, that's okay. It'll cut it. What I heard on the news?
Oh my God!
Somebody's getting braces.
Oh my God! I just saw her.
Is it the one?
Oh my God!
Oh, Tony.
I'm Mario. This is one of these things. See?
Oh my gosh, it's in another box. Oh, it's 2 boxes. Here, Grandpa will help you. No, help it.
Why not?
Wasn't my bust off?
That
honey, you all right?
is weird. I didn't think it doesn't look like that.
Oh, here, throw this in. Put that in there. Here. Take all this stuff and put it in there. Is that the president?
Out of the box. Here it is.
Is that the one?
Oh my God! There's another box. Oh, that's the next door. It's the next door.
Is it the one?
Yep, it's the next door. Really well. I got it. Woohoo!
Mamma Mia.
Is that the one, Tony?
Yes. Oh! You did it, Grandma.
I did it, didn't I, Tony? I told you.
I bet you Grandma deserves a hug now.
Put that stuff over there. Put it in here.
You have fun with that.
See, look. I have opened it already.
There it is.
There, that
Here's the box.
That's fabulous. Look, it's Whippio.
Wait,
Hey,
you might want to save those papers inside
you don't
there.
have him. The assassin door. You want to see him? He's right. See? Awesome. Let's see if we run out to the window.
Oh my goodness.
3 boxes inside of each other. Want to see what? See all this?
Is the box bigger than you thought it would be?
I thought I want to be big. See, look. Here's all the things you can do. And there's more things on the back.
It's the same thing on the back.
That's good.
Same thing.
Here's the emperor.
Look at that.
You get a knife. Cut this open.
Is that the right box?
You get a knife. But you got a
You
knife.
got the white box.
Oh, got to open it out here. Oh,
Don't
no.
do that. Don't do that.
All the pieces will come
need a
out,
knife.
honey.
Well, here, just use this key.
No, do a knife.
That's my key.
Rachel, get a knife. Here's your key.
You can use my key.
You don't have 2 keys.
Use the key, Tom. Here.
Use keys on you. Mamma mia, use the key, Mamma mia. Guess what? I told you full of boxes.
Another box?
I told you the full boxes.
Oh.
One.
Look at that.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
I told you. Here's 3 in the box.
You're kidding me.
Look at all this.
Spiral notebook, huh?
2,509 pages.
Wow.
Think that's gonna be fun?
Oh, I think it's going to be fun.
Oh, my God.
Here's 2.
Oh, and another box. Look at that. 4 boxes, Tony.
1, 2, 3, 4. I told you the 4.
Yes, you
No, need it
did.
now.
You told us. Well, you probably
Well, we
want to
might
save
need
the
it. Wait a
box. No, don't open those. Not yet.
Here's all the guys. Where are you inside?
Oh, God.